Hey, I'm Kent Turner from Whidbey Island, Washington. I've been coming here for about a year, since October 2021. And yeah, I've just mainly done turning. I did one with Alan Lacer, Jimmy Clues, now doing multi-axis turning here with Derek Weidman. Yeah, and it's been very great. I really enjoy Marc Adams because it is very much a family-oriented school. And like just the first time coming, meeting people that really take you in and appreciate who you are and want to get to know you and even establish a relationship with you beyond just that one class. And it's been really great. Like this time I've been hanging out with the guy that I met in my last class, and so it's been fantastic, as well as just getting the opportunity to get to push the abilities I already have further and really extend the artistic notions in my mind. And there's been things, especially like with this class with multi-axis turning, I've had some ideas and concepts about things I would like to do in making sculptural type forms. And so, but just kind of wrapping my mind around it hasn't really been easy to put the concepts into a form. And so it's been awesome just immediately when Derek starts turning his pieces. It's been awesome just like immediately, like these light bulb moments of how he's doing things. And so it's been fantastic. Like right now I'm making a spider, which I've had this idea for a project of a spider kind of playing with a ball. And I like the idea because spiders are something people are really afraid of. So I thought it would be kind of fun to make a little piece of kind of an intimidating animal that is having fun, and I'm using a jumping spider, and so they're kind of cuter, and so just like the idea of it playing with the ball, and so I've had all these ideas of how I would do it turning it myself, but doing this, it's been fantastic to see how the multi-axis turning can really establish that all in one piece rather than a bunch of turned pieces that are round, putting them together. It's been fantastic, and I'm sure you've seen some of what Derek's created, and yeah, just really enjoying my time here. So always thanks to Marc for having us and having me, and I look forward to the future, what I'm doing here.